In this video, we'll use the simple AC example to show how to create a module from a selection. Grouping your components into modules keeps complex schematics clean and readable, and serves as a precursor to blackboxing by eliminating manual setup. Chapter 1. Collapsing a selection into a module. To begin, simply select a group of components on your canvas. You can do this by clicking and dragging with the mouse, or using any of the other selection features in the Home tab of the ribbon control bar. The components will flash to indicate they are successfully selected. Next, right-click on one of the selected components, navigate to Generate, and select Module. A brand new module component is generated and automatically attached to the cursor. The module has been given an electrical connection port, which represents the electrical wire that was originally connected to the transmission line. Simply click to place the module on the canvas where the connection points automatically line up. Chapter 2. Inspecting the module content. Now that the module is placed, let's double-click on it or right-click and select Edit Definition to step inside and view the newly minted module schematic. As you can see, all the components from our selection are now contained within this module, maintaining the exact layout of the original selection. If you look closer, you will see that PSCAD has generated import and export components, or tags, which automatically map and transfer the wireless signals, including the breaker signal, which crossed the boundary of the selection when the module was created, and now safely transfer data and signals into and out of the module. In addition to these, the algorithm has also generated an X-node component to provide internal connection to the electrical port generated on the module component. Chapter 3. Signal transfers and module parameters. Let's examine in detail how all these import and export components are configured and how they relate to module parameters. To do this, we will navigate back up to the main canvas by clicking the Up Navigation button on the ribbon control bar. When collapsing a selection into a module component, PSCAD automatically configures the new module to match the connectivity of the existing schematic. This means that wireless signals transmitted via parameters or data labels are preserved using equivalent parameter and port mappings. For example, components within our selection utilize an integer signal named BRK1. This signal originates from a component on the main canvas called timed breaker logic. If we right-click on the collapse module and select Edit Parameters, or hold down the Control key and double-click, we can view the module parameters dialog. Here, you can see that PSCAD has automatically generated input and output parameters to coincide with all the new import and export tag components that were placed inside the module upon creation, including a parameter entry for BRK1. The component parameter named BRK1 is actively receiving data from the external canvas signal BRK1, which we previously saw defined in the data label component. Click Cancel to exit this window without making any changes. Let's double-click the module to step inside once again. We can see that the instance parameter, BRK1, corresponds directly to this import tag component, which is also labeled BRK1. In turn, this imported signal is utilized locally by the breaker component. We can inspect the breaker's parameters by right-clicking it and selecting Edit Parameters. In the parameter dialog, we can navigate to the main data category, where we find our breaker name parameter mapped to BRK1. We can also review the other parameters that were automatically generated by PSCAD. Let's navigate to the internal outputs category of the breaker. Here, we see the output signals IBRKA, IBRKB, and IBRKC, which represent the measured currents from each phase of the breaker. These currents are passed back out to the main canvas via the corresponding export tag components named IBRK, A, B, and C. If we navigate back up to the main canvas, right-click our collapse module component and select Edit Parameters, we can see that matching output parameters have been established for these signals. For instance, the module parameter IBRKA, which originates from the export tag component inside the module, is actively driving an external signal also named IBRKA. This external signal is then read by the adjacent data label component on our main canvas. While it may initially seem redundant that the parameter name and the signal name are identical, this is a deliberate convenience feature. When automatically generating a module definition, PSCAD must assign unique identifiers to the new parameters. To keep the configuration clear and intuitive, the algorithm simply adopts the name of the existing signal traversing the boundary. Chapter 4. Verification and Run. The best way to verify the process worked successfully is to run the case. PSCAD replicates your schematic without altering underlying circuit properties, so the simulation should compile successfully and yield the exact same plot waveforms as before. Collapsing a selection into a module component is a simple and efficient way to declutter and organize your PSCAD project schematics. The modules you generate using the selection tool always consist of two integrated parts, a localized module component instance and a reusable master module definition. You retain full flexibility to edit, customize, and replicate both elements to suit your specific engineering and simulation design workflows. For more technical guides and PSCAD resources, visit www.pscad.com.